Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get your hands on Snapchat Plus. What exactly is Snapchat Plus? Well, it's basically a monthly subscription to Snapchat that will open up new features to you, like seeing where your friends have been in ghost mode, meaning that they won't be able to hide anymore, at least from you that is, and a lot of other different tracking features and monitoring. Basically, it's more kind of a stalkish thing if you ask me, but I guess do what you want. I won't judge. Anyway, to open up Snapchat Plus, all you need to do actually is just open up your Snapchat and go to your profile from here, and you'll see a banner right here. The banner usually it looks like blackish, and here it will appear. Let me just do quick refreshes to see if we can get it to pop up. Okay, and here it is. So you just need to click on this little Snapchat bubble that pops up here for Snapchat Plus, and you'll be ready to go. Just follow the instructions afterwards and you'll be set up with Snapchat Plus. That's pretty much it. Just keep refreshing your profile page to get it, and that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.